Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today I'm so excited to finally show you how to make this stunning floral necklace. We'll be going over all the materials and the easy steps to bring this beautiful piece to life, so let's get started. Let's go over the materials you'll need for this project. 4mm pearl beads, 4mm gold beads, 3 inches of extender chain, lobster hook, jump rings, and charm. 26 gauge wire. Gold-plated chain. 0.30mm nylon thread. Next, thread 5 beads onto the wire and slide them to the center. Then, join both ends of the wire together and pass them through a single golden bead, pulling it down to secure the others in place. Take both ends of the wire and pass them through 2 of the pearl beads on each side. Cut a 1-inch piece of chain and thread it onto the wire. Then use a pearl bead to secure it with a crisscross method, and you'll have your first flower ready with the chain attached. Weave the thread through a few neighboring beads to secure it, tie a knot, and trim off the extra bit. Take a piece of copper wire, connect your first chain to one side, thread on a gold spacer bead, and then attach your second chain to the other side to continue the necklace. Take both ends of the wire and pass them through the spacer bead in a crisscross pattern. Once you pull tight, both sides of the chain are securely attached, and you can trim the excess wire. Thread 3 pearl beads onto your wire. Then slide on the finished chain element from the previous section. After that, add 3 more pearl beads and a piece of chain before tying a secure knot to hold it in place. Tie a knot, then slide both wires through that golden bead. Bring it up so it sits right in the middle of the flower. Finally, pass both wires through the side pearl beads, tie a few knots, and trim off the extra bits. Grab another piece of wire, thread on 1 pearl bead, followed by a piece of chain, and then 2 more pearl beads. After that, slide on that flower unit we just made. Then, add 2 more pearl beads, another piece of chain, and 1 last pearl bead. Finally, tie a nice, tight knot to lock everything in. Take both ends of the wire and pass them through a single golden bead, then slide it up so it sits right in the center of the beads. After that, guide the wires through the side pearl beads, tie a secure knot, and trim the extra wire. That wraps up that section perfectly. Now that the center part and the starting chains are all set, we can move on to working on the sides. Follow the same pattern on both sides. You'll attach a 1-inch chain, add a spacer bead, then another chain, and then create a flower exactly like the ones we've already made. Just repeat that sequence all the way along to build the necklace. thread 3 pearl beads onto the wire, then slide on your finished side chain, followed by 3 more pearl beads and a 1-inch piece of chain. Tie a secure knot. Just slide both wires through that golden bead, bring it up to the middle of the flower and pass both ends through the side pearl beads. Tie a few knots and trim the extra bits. Take a jump ring and slide on a lobster clasp along with one end of the chain. Make sure to close the jump ring tightly to keep everything secure. Take another jump ring and slide on a end charm, along with the extender chain. Once you've added both, just close the jump ring tightly to secure. And there you have it. Such a delicate and beautiful necklace. I really hope you enjoyed making it. Don't forget to like and share this video if you loved it. And drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to show me your creations. I always love hearing from you. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this project and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care and stay blessed.